Ayo.
Ohio.
Ini sama. Ini sa kong naman. So face so shiny. Hey guys, so I am here at SMC side and I'm at the Style Lash salon and I'm getting my lashes. I have a lash. I'm getting my lash extension for the first time here, so I don't know, but I will be checking back to you if I will have my lash extension later on. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye for now. So this is my final. My eyelashes are already in and my left eye is a little irritated right now, but I don't know, I'll just be applying some eye drop later on. So yeah, this is the final, guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think it really did a pretty dramatic on my lashes because I don't have any eyelashes. Oh my gosh. And yeah, it only takes like 1 hour 1 hour exactly. Yeah, so this salon is located at SMC side. What's the address? I don't know what's SRP Road. So it is located at SRP Road. If you are living in Cebu, please do check their salon. It's called Style Lash. Yeah, I totally recommend it. I love it. Yeah, I do really love it. So see you later, guys. Bye. Ohayo gozaimasu. Hey guys, it's been a while since I've uploaded my last vlog, and guess where I am at? Hey everybody. The monkey. Yes, I am in Cebu. At last, right now it's so freaking hot. It's like around 31 to 32 degrees Celsius, and I have to be honest, it's not that fun. I hate going out because it's so freaking hot outside, and there are a lot of people outside. I'm not used to it. I'm always used to, you know, not seeing a lot of people around, and the traffic is just out of this world. even in SRP before, it used to be very smooth here, but now it's so freaking traffic already. And yesterday, yeah, I guess it was yesterday, we went to SMC side. It's a new mall here in Cebu, and yeah, don't say that, mother. And right now we are heading to since today it's Sunday, we are going to church first, and after that we're going to ashram. Yeah, but first we need to go to church because when I was in Japan, we can't go to church easily because church is very far. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. And this is our driver. Yeah, watch out the road, driver. As usual. Kyotsuke yo. Chan to drive. Ne? Abunay yo.
Manual mindok sayo.
Yeah, and it's a little hard because he is used to driving automatic cars, but now our car is manual, so yeah. So yeah, guys, oh my gosh, we're in Cebu. Hi, Shashi. These two girls are my daughters, Sashi and Baba, and that is my mother. Mother. Bye. Baba. They're shy, unlike me. I'm not shy anymore. So I will see you later, guys. Hey everybody, we have arrived at SM City, Cebu. Hi, Ba. It took us a while to find parking. Yeah, I think it's about 10 minutes. When we are looking for parking, it's so hard to find parking here, guys. especially now that it's vacation. Hi guys, we are now at Ayala Center. Look at the people. Yeah, Baba. Hi, Ba. Yeah. From SM, we are now at Ayala. I'm going to eat here at Harbor City. We're going to eat that monkey. Yeah. Hi, Dai. What? Mother. We're waiting in line for food. Ba. Hi, Ba. He has. Yeah.
Ohio. Pimples. Oh my god, my pimples. I did not remember makeup last night. I'm so tired. Freaking tired. And these are my lash extensions. I don't think that I am enjoying this one. Yeah. It is so hard for me. Yeah. It seems that I have a pretty decent lashes, but I don't know, I feel so stiff. Maybe I'm just feeling a little new to it, but Baba is still sleeping. So it's 7:30 in the morning here, and in our house it doesn't feel very hot, but outside during especially during lunch or starting from 10 a.m. in the morning, it's just pretty hot. But maybe I'm just so used to cold weather, but even though it's hot, I still am enjoying and so happy to be home, because yeah, it's been a year, more than a year I guess, that we've been back to Cebu. Yeah, so yeah, this is actually not my first morning here, because I think today's Monday. Yeah, today's Monday. So I guess I will just be having breakfast. The kids are still sleeping, but my mom and dad is outside already doing something, and yeah, I will be having breakfast since I always eat my breakfast. I'm always used to eating my breakfast early. Yeah, I already felt hungry. Yeah. So nice to be here in Cebu. Yay! Hey guys, so we are done with our event and it's time to eat because everybody is hungry. Everybody's busy. Hi, ba. Hello, ba. Hi, Tit. What are you drinking?
Japanese tea.
Japanese tea. Yeah, nanawag ko.
You know, my hair is like ovary.
You're drinking this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm eating and drinking unhealthy stuff.
Unhealthy.
Like this.
Bestseller in Chikahan.
Oh yeah, by the way, we are here at Chikahan restaurant at SM Seaside, Cebu. So the rest of the food hasn't arrived yet, and yeah, gonna eat now. Huh?
Uy, lambi ako layat. Ha? Pati ka na mo.
Oh my god. Everybody's crazy.